Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to rotate text 180 degrees in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. We can see here many slides and included text, shape, image and chart. Now we want to rotate the text 180 degree. At first, click inside the text box. Then select the text, then go to the home menu. We can see here the text direction. Now we want to change the direction or rotate this text. Select this drop down menu. We can see here the 90 degree or 270 degree or step. Now we want to rotate this text 180 degree. At first select the 90 degree option, then make the text box big, then select the text and resize this, make the size small. Then we can see here the rotation icon, then select the rotate again 90 degree, then resize this. Then we can see we rotate the text 180 degree very easily. Now we can see here we create this manually. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.